Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho Sprints for Scrum Sprint Planning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Zoho Sprints for Scrum Sprint Planning, visit the Zoho Sprints website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will now see options to register using your email or Google account. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it. Next, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Zoho. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Zoho Sprints homepage. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to set up your first project. Enter a name for your project that reflects its purpose. Choose a relevant template for your Scrum project. Select the team members you wish to invite to this project. You can add members by entering their email addresses. After inviting your team, click on the Create Project button. With your project created, navigate to the Backlog section. Here, you will add your user stories or product backlog items. Click on Add User Story to create a new item. Fill in the details for each user story, including description and priority. Once added, your user stories will appear in the backlog. Next, go to the Sprint section to begin sprint planning. Click on Create Sprint to start a new sprint cycle. Give your sprint a name and set the duration. Select the user stories from the backlog that you wish to include in the sprint. Assign tasks to team members by dragging user stories to the sprint. Finally, click on Start Sprint to launch your sprint. You are now ready to manage your Scrum sprint planning efficiently using Zoho Sprints. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.